video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own survey on Qualtrics. Here I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go to the top right corner and click Create New Project. And then here I'm going to click Create Your Own Survey. And then first you'll have to title it, so I'll just put an example. After you've titled it, you'll go to the right and click Get Started. Okay, and so it automatically does a multiple choice question. So let's say type an example question. And then you type your question and type your answer choices. And make sure they're all different. And then for the next question, you're going to press the green plus button underneath the first question you've already tried. And it doesn't have to be multiple choice. If you go to the right here, you can change the question type. So I'll click the arrow button and it'll offer you different ways on how to make your questions. You can do multiple choice like that, or you can do a text entry box where they'll type the answer, or you can rank answers. This one is called the metrics table, and you can put disagree, somewhat disagree, agree, and just like a range of answers like that. And you can also do a check box, which is a really helpful tool. So you'll first click multiple choice, but click the arrow and it'll offer you different types. You'll want to click multiple answer column. And then you can put your answers, example answers, and then the participant can check box the answers that fit well, and they can pick as many as they want. And then you can also incorporate text or a beginning page to your survey. So if you click plus at the top, because you want to put a little introductory text, you can click descriptive text, and you can literally type, "Thank you for participating in our program." And then add a page break if you want the questions to show up on the next page instead of all of it connected together. And you will see that once I show you, but you will add page break when you're on the little text right there. So you see here is a page break. So now we'll see that in action. You'll go up and click preview. And it will show you how it looks on a computer and on your phone. So here is the first page. I type, "Thank you for participating in our program. Please fill out these questions to the best of your ability." You can do something like that. Then they'll have to press to the next page with this arrow right here. And here is the example question that's multiple choice. But here's also the question where they can do a checkbox. And again, it offers different types of questions, and you can do like agree or disagree and things like that.